Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both sides, YouTube and OBS. Sign into YouTube, enable live streaming, then copy the stream key from YouTube Studio. In OBS, set your canvas and output resolution and choose 3060 FPS so your stream quality matches your upload capacity. Make sure you pick the correct ingest region. This reduces latency and dropped frames. Once done, don't paste the key yet. Keep YouTube open for the next step and verify your internet upload speed first. In OBS, go to Settings, then Stream, select YouTube as the service and paste your stream key. This links OBS to your channel. Next, open Output Settings. Choose encoder X264 or NVENC depending on your GPU, then set bitrate based on your measured upload speed. Leave headroom for stability. Add primary sources, your camera as video capture device, game or screen capture, and route desktop/mic into the audio mixer. Once sources are visible, create a scene collection and lock elements to avoid accidental changes. Now finalize on YouTube. Input title, description, privacy, and latency settings, then either preview or hit go live from YouTube after OBS begins streaming. Monitor OBS stats, CPU, FPS, and dropped frames, and watch YouTube's health panel. If you see dropped frames, reduce bitrate or switch encoder to NVENC for hardware offload. If you can't connect, try a different ingest server. Ensure Firewall allows outbound on port 1935 and regenerate the stream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.